Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Mellif 5 inches Random Orbit Sander, a versatile tool that's compatible with the Dewalt 20V Max battery, making it a perfect addition to your cordless tool collection. This palm sander comes with a powerful 20 volts 2.0 Ah battery and charger kit, ensuring you have the power you need for any project. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers enhanced efficiency and longevity, while the 6 variable speeds allow you to customize your sanding experience up to an impressive 12,000 orbits per minute. The Mellif sander also includes a dust bug feature to help keep your workspace clean and tidy, making your sanding tasks more efficient and less messy. Plus, with 10 included sanding pads, you're ready to tackle any surface right out of the box. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this sander is designed to deliver smooth, high-quality finishes with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.